Okay, Ranson scholars, we are now going to prepare to create our brain dump sheet using the multiplication facts that we are struggling in or are not completely fluent in. So first, you would need to identify the ones that you would have to write down. So you should already have that information from your math drill. So for this example, for my dump sheet, I will be using the family facts for 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So to start, I would write 3 times 1, and then I would continue my facts down without writing my answers until I get down to 3 times 10. Alright, so for this example, you guys should all have your own sheet of paper. You will need to continue writing down from 3 times 9. So what I write, you write. 3 times 10. So we all know our facts of 1. 3 times 1 is 3. But say I didn't know my fact for 2, 3 times 2. I could use my facts that I've already written down as a way to help me organize my counting, because I'm going to use the counting on strategy. So I know 3 times 1 is 3. I can count again, starting with the number 4 after I write 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm going to stop at 3 since my fact that I'm working on is 3. So I'm going to stop at 3 times 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 22, 20, well now I got to check myself. So I said 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I now have my facts for 3. I need to make sure that these are the correct facts, so I check on the ones that I know. Most of the times I know 2, so I know 3 times 2 is 6. Usually I know my 5, so I do 3 times 5 is 15. And most of us know our 10, so I know 3 times 10 is 30. If those pieces check out, I know that I have my correct facts. So I'm finished with my 3s. I move on and I'm going to repeat the same. I'm going to repeat the same strategy, the same process for 4. 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 9, and 4 times 10. All right, you should be following along and copying these facts as well. I know 4 times 1 is 4, but maybe I don't know the rest, so I'm going to use my counter. Since I'm doing 4s, I'm going to go to 4 times 4. So the first one is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Again, I check based on the facts that I do know. I usually know my 2, so 4 times 2 is 8. I know my 5s, 4 times 5 is 20. I know my 10, 4 times 10 is 40. Those checked out, so I must have the correct facts. And I move on and do the rest that I don't know. Most of us know our 5s, so in this case I'm not going to do 5s. I would go on, I would do 6. I would go on to do 7. I would go on to do 8. And I would go on to do 9. Alright, so we're going to pause the video here. And you're going to continue your counting on strategy for 6 and 7. And then you're going to stop and watch a video for a trick for 8 and 9. And you will fill in the rest of your dump sheet with the trick for 8 and 9. Alright, so pause. Use your counting on strategy for 6 and 7. And then look at your video for tricks for 8 and 9 and continue your dump sheet.